Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Crafter's Companion. I just thought I'd just dive straight into this one as it's going to be a super quick one, promise. So as you can see, we've got a box of goodness here, but a lot of this is repetitive, so that's why I knew it was going to be a super quick video. So first of all, we've got several of these blending sponges. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and then we've got 2 packs of the circle sponges. We've then got this table desk organiser, so it's called a tool tower. I've mainly got this to put my Lavinia stencil brushes in, because what container I've got them in, it's not big enough anymore, so I needed a bigger container, so that's what that's for. I then got a Crafter's Companion best friend, and this is the Sarah Buddy bag, and I've got this to put in some of my pens for when I go to my craft group. And this was the main reason for purchasing this die. Basically you get this book and you also get this die to cut all these butterflies out, and then you also get a thing where you can print them off as well. I mean, my printer ain't the best, but it doesn't mean I can't have a go at it, so let's just have a look. And I actually like that it all comes compact. So there's your dies, and they're all numbered there as well. So I thought it'd just be like one big plate and then you just pop it over. And then on these, they're all numbered here, if you can see. So I'm not going to get them all out, because like I said, I want to keep this video as sweet and short as possible. Not so sure what this is. I wonder if this is actually the platinum gift. I don't know. No, on this particular day when I ordered this, we actually got this for free. So just got like a nice little table caddy there for free, so can't complain at that. And it was just a quick note to say thank you for so much support, love, good wishes over the past year. Really couldn't do it. I hope you enjoy your gift and can't wait to see you using it in a craft up storm all through 2023. Have a fabulous year. So I'm not too sure, like I know that I did come in. I'm going to have a look on my invoice. It'd be so much easier. It just doesn't say anything about being a platinum gift. And then we've got another one of these sponges. And then the last thing we've got is one of these containers, because I needed some more containers. But for some reason there isn't actually any of the separators in this one. I mean, to be honest, I'm not really that fussed because I don't use the separators anyway. But this is unusual, you normally do get them, but maybe they started doing them with the separators and some with not. Anyway, that's my haul, guys. Told you it was going to be super short and sweet, this one. I hope to catch you in the next video. I'd love if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye.